PowerStore, designed to take advantage of the performance and economics of the next wave of storage media. At its core, PowerStore is a highly optimized I/O stack with inline data services including deduplication, compression, as well as QoS. With the advantage of integrated data protection, the flexibility to scale up and down, as well as scale out, PowerStore delivers industry-leading economics and simplicity with the predicted performance as a result. Additionally, PowerStore has been built ground up to cater to the multiple consumption models desired by the market. It can be deployed as a purpose-built appliance that serves storage to external applications by network storage protocols, FC, iSCSI, SMB, as well as NFS. Appliances can be deployed further inside of a converged system that combine the appliances with servers as well as networking. Customers will have the option to purchase the PowerStore appliance upfront or as a flexible pay-as-you-use installment option. There are two deployment modes for PowerStore, meaning PowerStore T models refer to the SAN or NAS deployment modes, whereas PowerStore X models refer to the SAN and built-in ESX hypervisor deployment modes. For further details, please see the PowerStore X video for greater knowledge. PowerStore T and PowerStore X will offer an application-centric approach with enterprise-level high availability, data mobility, and predictive analytics for customers' application workloads. By incorporating market-defining capabilities such as class-leading performance, ability to scale up, scale out, as well as next-generation NVMe media, PowerStore will be a success in a wide range of customer use cases. The capability to scale up, scale out will offer the flexibility to customers to scale to meet their business needs as they evolve. PowerStore will allow customers to start with a single 2-node appliance and scale up capacity within that appliance. In addition, customers will have the ability to scale out, meaning the data center infrastructure will subsequently be increased by adding a cluster of additional 2-node appliances. A detailed video documenting the cluster ability and the overview will be available for a review as well. With the variety of hardware offerings, each model type offered for PowerStore will include predefined CPU and memory configurations. From a dimension perspective, each base enclosure is about 2U in rack height, 31.2 inches in depth, and about 92 pounds when fully loaded with drives. Because of the weight, 2 people are required to lift and install the system. In terms of physical hardware, both PowerStore T and PowerStore X have the same hardware configuration options, starting with the 1000 model leading up to the 9000 model. From an architecture perspective, each base enclosure will be dual node for high availability with dual Intel CPUs in each node or 4 total CPU sockets per appliance. For each base enclosure, the 2 nodes are in an inverted arrangement with node A on the bottom and node B on the top. Each node has a 4-port MES card, as well as an embedded module including 2 1-gig ports for management and service, and 2 SAS expansion ports for connecting to expansion enclosures. Each node also has 2 I/O module slots for additional front-end connectivity and also includes 1 power supply unit, or PSU, for powering the system. In the case of a power failure, rest assured, a single PSU can power the entire appliance. Each appliance has 25 drive slots in the base enclosure, which support both NVMe SSD or NVMe SCM drives. Depending upon the storage requirements of the customer, each appliance will be capable of supporting up to 3 expansion enclosures. Each expansion enclosure will also be 2U in rack height and offer the ability to scale up to add additional storage as customer requirements change. Wrapping up the storage and compute customer requirements, top-of-rack switches will be required per configuration. The top-of-the-rack switches can be used for cluster and appliance management. At the time of PowerStore ordering, a number of Dell switches can be ordered alongside the configuration, leading to a specialized integration and ease of cluster management. PowerStore will be a product that is capable of an extremely efficient and seamless, out-of-the-box rack, stack, as well as install. The ability to install base and/or expansion enclosures, in addition to Dell networking switches, will be supported in either a customer-supplied rack or within the Dell 40U rack. If a self-racking install is preferred, each enclosure supports seamless install with a toolless approach and a clear and concise quick start guide.